Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Look at that. I leave the radio on the ground. Check this out. The glider is hovering at one place like a kite, while my radio is down here. Look at that. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Ali Shanmo here. While kids are playing, I thought I would enjoy the OMP T720 Glider. It's nice and windy today, very windy, and this is the kind of wind this glider actually loves to fly in. I just had a flight on M2 helicopter. It was amazing nice. Now let's just have some, relaxing flight. It will have a lot of climb rate here because the wind is picking up here. Especially at this place, it should have a lot of climb here. Yeah, here, right here. This is where the wind really picks up. Look how it's climbing now. Stopped at one place. I will reduce the throttle, and it's just hovering at one place. And climbing as well. Wow, look at that sweet solid hover there, man. Look, I'm not even doing anything, just one hand controlling the throttle and rudder. And now I even leave the radio. Look at that. I leave the radio on the ground. Check this out. The glider is hovering at one place like a kite, while my radio is down here. Look at that. Isn't that amazing stabilization there? Oh man, that is the way. That is why I love OMP M2 Glider. Alright, let me pick my radio up. Wow, it's still there. Like when wind dies down, when wind has a gust, it tries to stall, but the stabilization system picks up again. Okay, zero throttle. Zero throttle. And I'm still not doing anything. Okay, now it's trying to stall, so I will nose down and bring it forward, give it some speed so it will not stall. Oh man, what a sweet glider it is. I could actually fly it all day long without getting bored. And to really enjoy the OMP T720 Glider, you have to fly it when it's windy. You have to fly it when it's windy. I'm trying my best to keep it slow at stall speeds. I got into gusts, very bad wind. Near the ground, it's very, very bad wind. But above the ground, look, it gets stable again. Check this out. Climbing at one place like a kite, man. Is it a glider or is it a kite? It's actually both. Okay, that went out of control a little bit because of the tailwind, but I managed to bring it back up. Wind died suddenly. look at the climb here at this point. Wow, it's climbing like itself. I'm not even giving it elevator. Watch for the glider coming. It's like, you know, having fun gliding around. If it was a real glider, I could have done the same. Soaring at the ridges. Watch the glider again. That was sweet landing, man. I didn't do that. It just auto-leveled itself. Not done yet. Not done yet. It's absolutely amazing, man, to actually have fun with the glider all the time when it's windy. Here comes the glider. Watch for your head. Alright, you play then, Baba also play. Battery is dying, man. Battery's dying, and I have like 8 batteries for these gliders. But I didn't bring them. I brought only 1. So I'll just land it. Not like that. Not like that. Yeah, the throttle is completely, I mean, very weak now. It's dying, so I'm just gonna land the baby. But not like abrupt landing. I'm trying to have some better landings. I still want to throw it one more time, one moment. I see water drops coming off the plane. And here we come for... It's still gliding, it doesn't want to land. Better landing, better landing.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.